Alright, let's walk. I cannot see a thing because the sun is in the way. There we go. Ew. No cows. Over there is the ladder to the hay barn, which is the best place ever when I was little. Oh, too many flies. Okay. There's my brother. Kitty is gone right now. There's a building with a tree growing out of it. Let's take a look at the other side. My mom's gonna come out. Look, there she is. She's walking out the door. Look at her go. Oh, with a soda too. You have a soda. Alright, see, there's a tree in the building. There's a swing from the renters. There's my dad's poor attempt at painting the barn. Very poor. Okay, I love this spot over here. Yep. So that's the farm pretty much. You know, building. But I prefer it out here. So awesome. Okay, that's about it. Adios. Oh wait, look at, it's like half done barn. Adios.